Klur ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Jingduhnong dengan Jingpluh ke Bon Tylli ke Ïing, Hajan ke parking lot hayo Mawlong, ke bedai ke Jaka Belong Try deki Guan ka, ke Palat deki Klur ringkat, ya kani lai thu do try Jaka belawan jurip ya ke Jingduhnong. Ulai thu bagi bahasa hang ni deki beri berit baria, kum kinong di sana, balki wepat ki jak jingdi. Yang bentagi beri ke belah kelak kelam Ïing, kelam Sam, kisah relief camp bagi bawah distrik Lepen Biang.
Hello, take this point, son. Either time you can take. You share me?
My name is Rahul Goenka. So my father is one of the co-leases out here. So we have 3 co-leases in this property: Kamal Kumar Goenka, Om Prakash Goenka, and Sajan Kumar Goenka. Sajan Kumar Goenka has expired. His legal heir is there, Sharad Goenka, or her wife Santosh Goenka. The incident what happened exactly on that date, it was around 4:15 on this Friday. It was, I think so, Friday. No, Friday it was evening 4:15. The somewhere in that corner area, some Assam type residence was there. So fire little bit came out. Then it was all wooden structure and it started burning. So it burned it a whole mess. It was all, the house was very attached and everything so congested. It was old structure. It was around 70-80 years old. And the residents who are staying here are tenants mainly. They are not so high earning. They are normally worker, that labor class, the chanawalas and everything. They have a small shop. They are not big earning. So they have a small houses out here. Their forefather used to stay. From then on, they were continuing the family. So now that time the fire started around 4:15. So it messed up everything. It got fired everything. Around 15-20 fireworks has come. So it was a support from the army also, the disaster team also. With that, they have controlled the fire. By the time they have controlled the fire, everything has gone, because it is a wooden structure. And my resident, that part, the ground has also been burned. So my cousin's houses, 20-25% has been damaged. Internal house, RCC house also. So the main, what was there, that it got impacted. Now let's see what this belongs to the army land. This is a defense land. So now let's see how it can be constructed, and we hope that everything will get cleared soon and the residents who have lost their life will get occupied here. Sir, actually, because we can't say exactly, but around 14-15 was there, because at that, after the cleaning, we have seen around 12-14 cylinders we have removed from these places. So if 14 might be there, the glass cylinder has burst. So because at 9 morning also, at 6:30 also the fire brigade came, because some ashes were lying, so it might get in that area again, it increases. So my also stock has been burned. That godown was there, so stock has been burned. So a huge loss is there for everyone. So no one has, with God's sake, no one has been injured. Only the financial loss has been done and the house has been lost. But for God's sake, nothing has been burned. And it was in daytime, so everything was unmanaged. If it was in night time, it would be a worse scenario. So hope this get recovered soon and the lost houses get a house properly. Assessment of loss not done till now, because we are not in a state of mind we can take out the loss. But I think approx 1 crore more than loss is there total, approx.